Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Start by gathering ingredients and prepping everything for efficient assembly. Use 1 pound peeled, deveined shrimp and pat them dry. Toss with 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon paprika, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and 1 tablespoon olive oil. For slaw, shred 2 cups cabbage and mix with 1/4 cup chopped cilantro, 2 tablespoons lime juice, and 1/2 teaspoon sugar. Make a quick sauce by whisking 1/2 cup mayonnaise with 1 tablespoon hot sauce. Heat a large skillet over medium-high heat and add 2 tablespoons olive oil. When shimmering, add seasoned shrimp in a single layer. Cook shrimp for 2 to 3 minutes per side until opaque, pink, and curled, about 4 to 6 minutes total for 1 pound. Remove shrimp and keep warm. To assemble, place a warm 6-inch tortilla in your hand, add 3 to 4 shrimp, a generous scoop of cabbage slaw, and drizzle about 1 tablespoon of sauce. Finish with 1 tablespoon chopped cilantro and a squeeze of lime for brightness. Create a simple crema by stirring 1/2 cup sour cream with 2 tablespoons lime juice, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and 1 teaspoon honey. Taste and adjust. Offer pico de gallo and sliced avocado as sides. Plan on 1 cup pico per 4 people and 1/2 avocado per person. For meal prep, keep leftover cooked shrimp and slaw in separate airtight containers and refrigerate up to 2 days. Reheat shrimp gently for 1 minute or serve cold. Plate tacos with crema, pico, and lime wedges and enjoy immediately for best texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.